So Dale, first of all, congratulations and thank you in advance for doing this little video. But I want to get a brief history because you are going into this with an entirely different printing history than most people and not in the clothing background. So quickly, what did you do and what made you decide to go with us? You did a lot of research.
Yes, I did. I was looking for something for basically for our printing company to enhance what we were presently doing, but I decided that it was primarily more beneficial for me personally, and it didn't really fit our situation at the printing company. So I decided to investigate and look at it for personal business.
And you actually even flew out of your way to come up to a show in Toronto, if I recall. That's where we met, right, face to face?
Yes, yes. I flew to Toronto to actually see it in progress or in operation, and was highly impressed.
Dale, when you go to a trade show, there's all the best, juicy, new, fandangled stuff hanging in front of you, featured in the most sexy way, the most attractive whatever, and you got exposure to that. Why did you still stay focused with these two decorations when there's so much colorful, fancy, fandangled stuff that's supposed to be so much better out there?
Well, I saw in my mind, so many variations that you could do even with the two machines. You can do it along with other media as well, screen printing and the rhinestones, and then putting those things together with this. But I saw the variety in it, that you could do so many different products with it, and it's new, plus the fact that you don't have a lot of overhead in materials to make the products.
You went through a process to get the funding to pay for the equipment. You released the funds. We had the equipment built for you, and in that period of time, I think there's literally a period of time where you start to get worried about, what did I get myself into? How complicated is this going to be? How much training do I need? And now you're getting through the training. You're almost done, actually. Tell somebody else what experience you had and what you feel like now. And you're going into the industry cold. You're not going in. I mean, you're going in as a smart business person, of course, with your background. But this is totally a cold venture for you. There's nothing familiar about it. How are you feeling now that you've been exposed, and what do you feel it's going to be like moving forward?
Well, initially I was, really excited about it, and still am, but and it took a while to get the machinery. But at the same time, I was having to learn a lot of different things, embroidery, because we do have embroidery for the applique part of it. Of course, the laser and the embossing machine knew really nothing about operating, and so by getting the software early, I was able to spend a lot of time with it. Even though it was 6 months from the time I ordered, or roughly 6 months time I saw it, and then when I placed my order, that time was really important because I had a lot to learn. And so if I'd gotten the machines, let's say 6 weeks from when I ordered it, I would not be ready actually for the training.
Okay, and our training, you went from zero to, Alex sent me pictures last night of applique, reverse applique, etching, combo stuff, and that's from scratch. I mean, you got to be proud when you can do all those different things, no?
Yes, very much so. It's kind of exciting to see it all come together.
Do you realize that you can do with, you got embossing machine from Permaboss and the laser, and you use the embroidery to be able to do most embroidery and most decorations that literally 95% of the country can't do. Do you understand that?
Yes,
So the disadvantage in one way is nobody knows what the heck it is, so they're not going to ring your phone off the hook and ask for something that they don't know how to ask for, okay?
Yes,
so
correct.
Our goal now is to work together now that you have all the tools to show and tell. And the beautiful thing, the advantage, which is completely the contraindication to the disadvantage, is that where you're based, there isn't 25 people doing what you're doing, like there would be if they just did dedicated embroidery, screen printing, heat transfer, did direct-to-garment, that sort of thing. So now, the key when Alex leaves for you is to make beautiful samples. And I mean when you drive to work, when you go shopping, take a picture of a logo with your phone if you have to, turn it into some beautiful art in the different techniques that you know, the same logo 2, 3, 4 different ways, and make yourself a showcase of stuff. That process will teach you very quickly how to take bad artwork and convert it very quickly, quicker than anybody else. That's number one. And number two is people will realize and recognize logos, and they'll say, I didn't know you could do that logo that way. You know, so for example, later on, take the BP logo, the flower, the green flower.
Yes.
With multiple levels of green within the flower, and that will be your, you know, your crowning moment when you can take a complex object like that and turn it into something beautiful, and then you will have, I would say, officially graduated to be able to handle anything that comes down your way.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to have continued talks after the holiday that's coming up now. We're going to speak probably once a week marketing-wise.
Okay.
So the real boot camp begins, where you have to take action, and I'm going to be on your case.
Oh.
Okay? I'm the nice guy when you bought the machine, but for the next 3 months, I'm going to be a tough guy, tough love and everything, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any other comments? How was the experience going? How was the experience with the trainer there?
Do I have to be honest on camera? No, it was very good. He's
Listen, he can pause the camera
and take me out. No, it was very good.
It would be like those military videos demanding a ransom, right?
Right.
He doesn't have any weapons pointed at you, does he?
Not at the moment.
He's coming from Canada. The worst he can have is a stick. Okay. So have you both used the equipment?
Yes.
And how was using the touchscreen? Like, let's say you've learned embroidery now.
Yes.
And compare it to learning our equipment. Like, what's the comparison? Is it 10 times easier? Is it simpler? Is it fun? What's the experience?
Well, it's a lot easier, actually.
Why?
Well, I mean, there's so many variables in the embroidery, and it was just kind of overwhelming, actually. But I mean, I was able to at least figure it out and had some training on it too as well. But it was a lot more intimidating.
And was there anything in your previous business experience where you're exposed to all kinds of technology, and compared to what you saw at the show, was there anything that you've seen that's been so fundamentally easy to touch and go and learn?
Well, the laser was real easy as far as operating it.
Yeah.
I guess the hardest part is getting the graphics and getting the designs together, and of course learning the difference between the emboss and deboss for the embosser, and getting those designs together. But the operation of the machines are fairly simple.
Okay, you can be proud of the fact that the laser is just a bit over 85% U.S. content, and the embossing machine is somewhere between 65 and 70% U.S. content. So the money didn't go elsewhere; it stayed in our countries. Just so you know, makes a big difference.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you again, and I look forward to our weekly chat. Some will be short, some will be long.
Okay.
We'll go from there, okay? So keep playing with it till Alex goes, and try and do more stuff, and no personal tattoos, okay?
All right.
Great.
Thank you.